Hi, families. So in school, we teach scholars a few different sounds that you might not have heard before or not used to. So right now, I'm going to go through the entire alphabet, how we teach it at school with the letter name as well as the corresponding sound. So starting with the letter A. A says A. B says B. C. D. D. E. F. G. G. H. I, A, J, J, K, L, O, M, N, O, R, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So when you're practicing sounds at home with your scholars, please make sure these are the sounds that you are teaching them to better support them at school as well.